Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Nur Afuna Alia binti Wan Sharizal, and I will be presenting together with my group members Azmariza Nurizati and Muhammad Azizi. Today, we would like to present our topic titled Architecting Global Trade, the Evergreen Marine Blueprint for Scale, Sustainability and Operational Excellence. In this presentation, we will explain how Evergreen Marine manage global trade through efficient shipping systems, innovation and strong operational strategies. We will also discuss how their network design helps improve performance, reduce costs, and support sustainable operations. This slide explains how Evergreen achieves success through innovation and excellence. First, global footprint shows their strong presence worldwide, especially between Asia and Europe routes. Second, innovation imperative means they use technologies like digital tracking and eco-friendly solutions. Third, operational excellence focus on managing their fleet efficiently to achieve high performance. In conclusion, these three elements help Evergreen stay competitive in the global market. For this slide, you can see the main direction of Evergreen Company. In the center, it shows the mission, which is to facilitate global trade through safe, reliable, and eco-friendly shipping service. There are also two main pillars. The first pillar is innovation, where the company focus on using new technology to improve their operations. The second pillar is operational excellence, which means making sure all process run efficiently. Finally, their destination is to become the most trusted and globally recognized maritime transport provider.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azizi bin Samsudin and my matrix number is A23A119. For this slide, I like to talk about the logistic circuit. This slide show how the global container shipping system works. It starts with a node A, which is the ultimate port terminal where goods are loaded efficiently. Next is node B, which is ocean transit. Here, large ships are used to transport goods across country and continents. Then it moved to North Sea, which is regional distribution. At this stage, goods are delivered to local area using land transport like trucks. Overall, the system shows how the global network is connected to ensure smooth delivery. For the next slide is about the optimizing the grid. This slide explains how the shipping network is optimized. There are mega hubs, which are main centers that handle large-scale shipments between continents. Feeder ports are smaller ports that connect to this hub using a hub and spoke system. There are also two main focus. First is routine efficiency, which means choosing the best route to save time. Second is fuel and cost reduction, which helps reduce operational costs by avoiding empty trips. This made the whole system more efficient and cost effective.
Next, the mechanic of global expansion. I will explain how Evergreen Marine Corporation expands globally in a structured and strategic way. Expansion is not just about adding more ships, but about building a strong and efficient global logistic network. There are three main phases. Phase 1, local origins. The company starts by building strong shipping routes and developing expertise. This creates a solid foundation. Phase 2, port regionalization. Next, Evergreen strengthens connection between inland areas and ports, developing regional hubs to control logistics within specific regions. Phase 3, global scale. Evergreen integrates into the global network, managing complex international supply chains efficiently. Overall, this shows that Evergreen's success comes from strategic expansion, not just growing in size, but growing in capability and network strength. Next, the operational paradigm. I will compares the traditional shipping model with Evergreen's modern approach. In terms of network strategy, traditional systems use simply point-to-point routes, which are less efficient. Evergreen, however, applies a hub-and-spoke model that improves coordination, flexibility, and cost efficiency. For logistic visibility, traditional models often have gaps due to silo operation. However, Evergreen solves this by using big data and end-to-end tracking, providing full visibility across the supply chains. Lastly, for future readiness, traditional systems are more reactive and field dependent. Meanwhile, Evergreen takes a proactive approach by focusing on green development and sustainability. Overall, this shows that Evergreen is not just following industry standards, but actively improving and modernizing them. Lastly, the ultimate architecture, scale without friction. I will highlight how Evergreen achieves large-scale operation without creating inefficiency or environmental problems. The key idea here is that scale and sustainability can work together, not against each other. Evergreen applies advanced network design and digital innovation to optimize global shipping flows. This means they can move goods efficiently while reducing delays and unnecessary costs. At the same time, they focus on minimizing environmental impact, which is shown through the sustainability efforts. The layered diagram represents three main elements. The first one, the grid, which is the foundation of the logistic network. Secondly, expansion, where they grow and connect globally. And for the sustainability, ensuring long-term responsibility operation. Overall, Evergreen doesn't just operate ships, they are shaping the future of global maritime economics through smart, efficient, and sustainable systems. That's all from us. Thank you.